What? So the satsang today is on the awareness of separation of the self. Satsang is on the awareness of the self. Hello?
Should I?
Yeah, okay. All right.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can. Pretty good.
That's funny. If I have a headset, you hear me. If I have a headset, you cannot hear me. That's strange.
I know, but then
But
if
anyway.
with the headset, will your voice go? You have another computer, so that's fine. Yes.
Okay.
All right.
So.
All right. It's
So-
already on. It's well.
Now I get this to online.
Yeah. Well, it's online, but they are going to start in another 10 minutes. The topic is on the awareness of separation.
Yeah, but I can't. Where do you find them? Because it's here on my computer. There is no.
Just refresh dadabhagwan.tv. Just refresh that button.
Okay, let me check. Let me check. Dada Bhagwan. Oh yeah, now it says live now.
So-
Okay, it was a minute ago. It was not. Okay.
So, okay, over. So,
Yes.
all right.
Yes, sir.
So we'll continue. Huh?
Yeah. So let me check. I just need to get Grid online.
All right. And also, I just want you to know that if it's not satisfactory, you should continue. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
yeah.
Because of the transmission problems, you know. So we'll see.
Yeah.
I'm sure. Let's
So
keep up.
can you let me check? How do I get in?
Well, just add grit to our Skype.
I know. I don't know how to do it now.
Do you want?
I call you back.
Do you want me to add?
you,
I
huh?
can add her. Let me see if I can add her.
Yeah. Add her.
All right. Let me see. Add people, and I'm going to add grit. Okay, I'm going to quickly add grit, and yes, Jai Sachidanand, grit. Okay.
Jai Sachidanand Surya.
Okay, so now we are having double voices. So
Yes, I will.
I'll take care of
will-
it. Okay.
What I do now is Grid. What we need to do is on Skype.
Yes.
You need to mute yourself on Skype.
Okay, I've done that.
Also du musst dich auf Skype
But
muten.
okay, ask her. Can she hear me still? Yeah. How will she know? All right. Anyway, I hope she is able to listen to my voice. Ugo, you may want to double check with her on.
She can hear you. She
Okay,
can
good.
hear you.
Okay, good. So then we are all set. It's on dadabhagwan.tv. They have announced for the 30th of November early morning session, the first session, that the topic for the satsang will be on the awareness of separation from the non-self. Judapanani Jagruti, awareness on separation from the self. And so today's topic is, and so the Mahatmas are requested to ask only the relevant questions with reference to that and nothing else. And so pretty shortly the topic again for November 30th 2012 Janma Jayanti Shibir Satsang in Bhavnagar is the awareness of separation, the awakened awareness of the separation from the non-self complex. So we have about 7 or 8 minutes, and in this process we will see our Gnani Pujadeepak Bhai coming on to the stage and taking a seat, so he has got enough time before the satsang starts. Some music going on. We see the standing image of our Gnani Purush Dadashri with the garland of sandalwood, his black cap, O Dada. And you are the fully manifest one, O Gnani Purush. I bow to you again and again, O my Gnani. A new hymn that has been recorded professionally in India. And now a pause in the transmission. And the Gnani Purush has his hands folded in front of him in this picture that we see, doing the namaskars to all of us in the relative, really invoking our pure souls within, the absolute selves within each one of us, closing the hands representing the rag and dvesh. And today on this Janma Jayanti celebration time, our Gnani Purush especially is in his absolute self state, is in his absolute self state. So the Gnani does not communicate, his representatives communicate with the world. They've just changed the song on us, very low volume, so probably will not come through on the relay. Five minutes now, more, and then the satsang should start. So again, for those who have just joined, the topic for this morning's satsang with Gnani Deepak Bhai amidst crowds of more than 30 to 35,000 people in Bhavnagar, India, is on the awareness of separation. Most of the attendees, majority of the attendees are Mahatmas, but there would be about 10 to 20% new seekers as well. But the satsang is designed for Mahatmas because the topic is on the awareness of separation. And this initially Puja Deepak Bhai will speak in general about this awareness of separation, and then there will be a question and an answer session referring specifically to this topic of the separation of the S capital self from the non-self complex or the small SELF. For those who are new to this broadcast on Ustream, live webcast, please note that it is being relayed simultaneously in English. The original webcast in Gujarati language is being relayed in English as well as in German language on different channels. And those who are relatively new to this format, please become familiar to the terminology which we'll be using. S capital self is the enlightened person's self, the one who is awakened to the experience and the awareness of the S capital self, the self within, the pure soul. And the small SELF refers to the worldly name, whether you're John or Mary or Nada or Over or Grit. So that is important to keep in mind when we say S capital self, we are talking about the separated self, the self that is separated internally through knowledge from the non-self complex. The self is separated internally from the non-self complex. The non-self complex, we will be using this word non-S capital ELF. Non-self complex is this complex of mind, speech, and body in which we are currently residing, in which we are currently present as the awakened ones. So this will be frequently used, non-self complex, and the self, as capital self, or the worldly self is the small SELF. $33 million celestial beings. We are telling, oh celestial beings who number 33 million, please come here for the Janma Jayanti of the Gnani Purush, Dada Shri. Oh, please come, oh celestial beings who are interested in the path of the Vitarag, please come here on this great, momentous, magnificent occasion. We welcome the celestial beings to our satsang. As we see our Lord Simandar, Lord Krishna, and the symbolic representation of Shiva, the embodiment of of salvation of others. Now you are in Mahavide, O current living Tirthankar. Shower your grace on this earth of ours, my Lord. The Amiras is the nectar of immortality and it flows along with the compassion. All celestial beings, please welcome, please come, please come. We welcome you. As we see a big boom being lifted, that is the camera boom, the big camera stand. Now the satsang should start. We see the colors. As Dada Bhagwan Asim Jai Jaikar ho, signaling the entrance of the Gnani Purush, Gnani Deepak Bhai in the hall. Dada Bhagwan for the newcomers means is the absolute self within all, the fully enlightened one within all living beings, and the boundless glory to the pure soul within all living beings. As we see our Gnani Puja Deepak Bhai and enter the stage and going straight to Lord Simandar and showering flower petals on him, and then a beautiful red rose garland over him, and as he lays his head at the feet of the Lord, and we also lay our head at the feet of our Lord, moving over for a garland for Lord Krishna. And my Lord, my highest namaskars to you, as he moves over and puts more flowers on his hair on Lord Krishna, moving over to the Shiva, Lord Shiva, representing the symbolic representation of the one who is symbolic of salvation of the rest of the world, moving over to the combined image of Gnani Purush Dadashri and Puja Niruma, showering flowers, placing a beautiful rose garden on them and showering more rose petals and bowing down to both of them, moving over to Ma Amba, Ambaji, Goddess Amba, beautiful garland over her, and then my oh mother, my highest namaskars to you, and moving over to Ma Padmavati, the celestial deity who ensures and protects everyone on the path of liberation, placing a beautiful rose garland over her, and then adjusting the garland, followed by namaskars, more roses from the top, and then namaskars. O Padmavati Devi, to you, our highest namaskars to you. As he moves, turns around and comes over to the large image of Gnani Purush Dadashri, a big oval image with a golden border and beautiful huge garland of roses for our Gnani Purush Dadashri. O Dada, please accept this garland from all of us Mahatmas for everything that you mean for us. And as Deepak Bhai kneels on the floor and bows to the feet of Gnani Purush Dadashri, a symbol. The current living Gnani goes to the feet of Gnani Purush Dadashri, turns to the crowds, and pretty soon we will see the crowds now numbering in thousands and thousands of Mahatmas who have gathered there, as everybody is chanting Dada Bhagwan Na Asim Jai Jaikar Ho. Infinite, boundless glory to the Eternal One within all. As we see Puja Deepak Bhai and Ma Padmavati in the background, there, raising his arms above, as do all the Mahatmas in front of him, continuing to sing Dada Bhagwan Na Asim Jai Jaikar Ho. And he takes seat as Mahatmas settle down for a beautiful satsang on the awareness of separation. Mahatmas are still coming in, trying to find their seats. There are no chairs. Chairs are way back behind the front half, essentially a long section of the front half in 6 sections, 3 each, 3 men, 3 sections for men, 3 for ladies, is filled with people sitting on the floor. Please switch off your mobile phones. Those who do not understand Gujarati, there is Hindi translation going on. So there is Hindi translation. There is also English translation available on the right hand side, and so the live translation in audio is also going on. And so they are being told at what frequencies they should switch on. Jai Satchidanand. Some announcements.
असीम जय जयकार हो। असीम जय जयकार
Just a matter of time. Deepak Bhai getting ready. We cannot see anything on the screen yet. Here we have our Gnani, which is Deepak Bhai. Jai Satchidanand, the awareness of eternal is bliss. I bow to the Absolute Self who resides within you all with total devotion and oneness. Jai Satchidanand. Who are the new? Who are? Please raise hands if you are coming for the first time only. And we don't see many people raising their hands. So majority are Mahatmas. On the occasion of Janma Jayanti, we are gathered here. And so, and to move devotedly for Dada Bhagwan means to move devotedly for Gnan. I am pure soul, and we are trying to rise higher in the realm of the S capital self, in the domain, in the territory of the S capital self. And that is the satsang today, how to move further and progress as the S capital self. And today's topic is how can we remain aware with separation? How can we remain in the awareness of separation? You see, you fulfill your role as a mother or as a daughter or as a father, but it is the charged self, as it is the charged self, the small SCLF, that is going to do the work. You don't have to worry about it. We have to worry. We have to take care of our next life in the subtle level. So our roles are automatically being performed as a father, as a husband, as a companion, as a friend. In satsang, you are also a satsangi. You are somebody as a companion in satsang. Yes. But you see, and in, you know, even though he is an advanced Mahatma, and he will still jump a queue and rush in front of a line, because that is part of his Prakriti. He will always not follow the rules. That is his Prakriti. It has got nothing to do with his inner state as a Mahatma. At the time of eating, he becomes the eater. It is the subatomic particles that pulls the food inside the body. You see, it is the food demand in his body that is made up of subatomic particles that is making him eat voraciously, eat a lot, and jump the line waiting for the food. You see, if you put a pan of a cooking pan on the stove, and after it heats up, even if you turn off the heat, it will still remain hot for such a long time. And that is how it is. This is how the charged Prakriti, the non-self complex, is. You see, and so they fight for seats. You see, who do you think you are? Do you know who I am? So Deepak was just showed in acting how even an advanced level Mahatma will demand his seat. What do you think you are? This is my seat. So, because you believe that you are in this relative role, that I am Uve, I am grit, I am nada, you are binding a new life for next life. But you know, Dadashri became so cold, absolutely cold, that even a hot coal would touch him. The hot coal will become cool, but it will not affect Dada. So we all have to become absolutely cold in that level, in that sense. How can we begin? We begin with focusing our camera on file 1 only and on nobody else. And then if file 1 shoves somebody or pushes somebody in this large crowd, then you have to tell file 1, do you know that you push that person? Start your conversation with file 1 in separation of the file 1. So you should tell file 1, okay, okay Nada, you made the mistake, you do the pratikraman. But otherwise, you see, we are all engrossed in that which is unfolding in the relative world, and that is called tanmayakar, being engrossed, becoming the body mind, and 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 so if we do not become aware of that, then we miss this. We have to be aware that it is uva or nada or grit that is engrossed in the worldly affairs, not you. I want to go to moksha only for sure. If the body is hurting, the people of the world will be in artha dhyan. They'll say, "Oh, I'm hurting. My back is hurting. My head is hurting." And other people will come and say, "Oh, you're suffering so much," and they will only make it worse by saying and making you feel as if it's happening to you. But you should tell the people who have come to see you when you're in the hospital that you have come to see this body, and even I am seeing this body that has sustained this illness. So that is the if the door handle of the car is not working very well, if the door is not closing very well, you just observe it, you just see that is happening. You don't bang the door of the car, do you? You don't get upset. So you have to be like the boss in the back seat of the car. The boss tells the driver, okay, tomorrow you get it fixed. So, but see, in the same way, you tell your driver, the driver is uva, driver is nada, the driver is grit. Tell them to fix the door of the car or what needs to be done. You remain in the back seat, in the comfortable back seat of the S capital self. You see, the prajna, the light of prajna will tell you that why are you taking it over? It is the work of uve, it's the work of nada, it's the work of grit. Vibhav means the feeling that this is happening to me, that I am nada and this is happening to me. This is called vibhav, not swabhav, not the intention of the self. The intention of the self is to remain the knower and the seer only. So, but with vibhav, with the feeling that it is happening to me and that then a new karma tends to get charged. Not for Mahatmas, but at least in general, Deepak Bhai is speaking. So this is through the Gnan Jagruti, with the Gnan awareness, all of this sense of I did it, this is mine, this is happening to me, she did it, etc. should go away now. It is happening to me. It is not. You should say it's not happening to me, it is happening to Deepak, it is happening to Shuddha, it is happening to Uva. He insulted me, she insulted me. No, I was not insulted. The insult happened to the ego of grit, the insult happened to the ego of nada, not to me. I enjoyed. Did you enjoy? No, I didn't enjoy. It was the ego of Uwe that enjoyed, it's the ego of Marian that enjoyed. So remain separate from this. Because do we not know how to take care of a 2-year-old boy or a 2-year-old girl, little girl? Or in the same way, you have to take care of this 2-year-old Uwe and a 2-year-old Nada. You just have to say, do this, do that, do this. Continue guiding Nada, continue guiding Grit. We have the worldly interaction knowledge as well as we have the pure knowledge too, the Shuddha Gnan. If you keep Dada for 3 days in one room, he will remain absolutely still. He will not be disturbed. He will, all day he will, kind of do the bhavna of Jagat Kalyan, the intention of Jagat Kalyan, might talk to whoever comes to meet him. But he will not go into who is he and what does he do and what is his business and how much he is making and what he is wearing, etc. Another thing is, then you can read the speech of Dada and read and see the VCDs to increase. First of all, you have to make the separation from Nada. Then you have to say, "Oh Shuddhatma Bhagwan, you are separate and Nada is separate. Oh Shuddhatma Bhagwan, you are permanent and Nada is temporary." And so as you talk like this, this vidhi is given in the Charan vidhi, the vidhi of separation. You can do that, and so you can in that way you can talk to the neighbor Nada, neighbor Uwe, neighbor Grit, neighbor Kacha. Otherwise, there is this thing about if you do not talk as the boss of Uwe to Uwe. Uwe might deceive you, he will say, okay, what's wrong with it? Let me take some more. Nobody is looking. But at that time you say, no Uwe, enough. You've already had enough. You can't have more than that one, more than two. This is the charged non-self complex of anger, greed, deceit and pride. And it is unfolding in this life. And so today's Gnan, today's knowledge is to keep it separate from you. It is not happening to you, it is totally separate. Today's knowledge and past life's knowledge are in friction, you see. Today's awakened awareness is separate from past life's awareness, past life knowledge. And past life knowledge was without any awareness. And they got charged. The subatomic particles got charged in the past life on the basis of scientific circumstantial evidences and are ready to give the result now in this life. And so people may blame you, people may accuse you, people may hurt you, but you see, you must say that he has not done it, he is not the doer, it is not happening to you. So the main wrong belief, which is called blunder, has been broken. The I am Grit, that is the blunder, that has been broken. Now only the residual mistakes remain. That is why the Charan vidhi is excellent. It gives you the energies to remain separate, and it will increase the power of awakened awareness within you. It will fill the energy of awakened awareness within you. And then once you start seeing the mistakes of Grit, of Uwe or Nada, you become separate. You see, the moment you see the mistake, you should say, no, these mistakes are not mine, they are the mistakes of Uwe, Grit, Nada, they are the mistakes of the file 1, and that is the awakened awareness. And make sure that you do not hurt anyone in this. And so if there is any suffering in life, then be the seer of the suffering that is happening to the ego of Uwe and Nada or Grit, but not to you. You know, if Uwe is wanting something very badly and if he doesn't get it, you should be happy that it's good. Now, you know, it's good that he's not getting it. You should be, if the circumstances are difficult, then you should be becoming more happy inside that Grit is not getting it, Grit is not getting it. And if Grit gets what she wants, what she likes, then you can plus minus it, and so you balance it out, make sure she doesn't take too much of it. But by remaining in your commander seat, in the seat of the king or the queen, you can rule the file number 1 properly. In the relative, there might be any news of an accident, somebody falling sick, etc. At that time, there you become engrossed again. And so when you become engrossed again, the word engross means to become the body-mind form, to become Grit, to become over. And at that time, again you have to employ this separation of awareness of separation. From the suffering, you can begin to know that this is not yours. It is, the suffering is happening to Grit. You know, if you have photographs of a husband who is dead or a son who has died, you keep those photographs around, and it keeps on reminding you of who they are, you know, of what you missed, and therefore, you know, you can pack away the photographs so that again and again you will not see those pictures of the people who have died. You just see the pure soul. If you can see their pure souls along with their photograph, that is fine. But if you are not able to see their pure soul, then you have to be careful. You see, they left you and they went into the other world because the account with you is over. And the account was of rag and dvesh, attachment and aversion. And so by becoming free from attachment and aversion, you will attain absolute knowledge. Wherever any kind of suffering arises for you, at that time, make sure that you make file 1 do pratikraman and pratyakyan. And you can disconnect the plug. You see, no matter how badly the fan is spinning, if you disconnect the plug, you know that sooner or later the fan will stop spinning above. So the first step is to disconnect the plug. The disconnection of the plug is to disconnect from this idea and this feeling that I am over, I am nada, I am Grit. And you see, that is only one layer has left. Again, when you move into the other room, some other intention will take hold of you, and you have to rise above that intention, saying, this intention is not mine, it is the intention of over, it is the intention of nada or Grit. That is the purusharth, that is the progress as the P capital, as the S capital self. And if necessary, and in the relative, try to do as much good as possible. Therefore, so you know, this good things will happen. You see, you know, in the life, our own real state is that of a Gnayak, the knower. The Gnayak, Gnayak, Gnayak. We are the knower. Everything else is that which is to be known. It is called Gneya. That is, the entire universe is to be known. External universe as well as internal universe. And what comes in front of us is only those karmas that have not been finished. And you know, so by settling those files with equanimity, you are in the bhajana, in the devotion of the S capital self only. And the Prakriti is going to fall away, it is going to fall away, the non-self complex is going to disintegrate slowly, dissolve. Now this Tanmayakar Panu business, this matter of becoming engrossed, becoming over nada or Grit, that is associated with suffering. You have to keep it separate. And then keep it separate and ask for energy from the other to remain separate, and in that way you can proceed higher. If you keep it separate, then it will be good for you. But if you become Tanmayakar in it, then you will continue to remain Tanmayakar, the body, mind, form, or engrossed. Then it will go in that direction. You see, the realm of the self is magnificent. The realm and the domain of the S capital self is very magnificent. It is possible for you to remain continuously as the S capital self, even as the work of Uve, Nada, Grit, or Shuddha is going on. And you know, we should not have any questions. Why did he do this or why did she do this? This is all under the influence of Vyavasthit. And the intellect is the one that disturbs it by saying, why did he do this? Why is she not doing this? Etc. And the awareness of separation and the purusharth of separation is to be aware of the doer as well. We want to remain separate. We need to be aware of who the doer is. And we need to really understand this Prakruti, the non-self complex of Grit, of Nada, of Uva, of Shuddha, of Jeff. And by remaining separate and absolutely non-interfering, we can bring it to normality. Many people say that I have received the knowledge of the self, however I do not feel any light within. He says, I have received none, there must be some light inside, but I don't see any light. No, only when you remain separate from the non-self complex and become aware of the mistakes that the non-self complex is doing, and then you will begin to see the light of the self as capital. There is small SCLF is the result. It is not a cause, it is a result. If you hurt anyone and if you see anyone at fault, these are all mistakes. These are mistakes of the veils of ignorance. These are mistakes of the yellow glasses. Slowly you have to become free from it. And then this way you will move in the direction of the clear and the distinct experience of the self called Spashtavedan. Clear and distinct experience of the self called Spashtavedan. In the books of Pratikraman, the book of the Flawless Vision are magnificent books for all of us. We need to periodically, intermittently study these books, open it up, keep them handy, keep them in your bedside. 5 Agnas, file, equanimity, all of these words are very magnificent. And in all ways they keep you and make you separate from the non-self complex, and thus in the awareness of the S capital self. No human being is binding you, no circumstance is binding you or obstructing you. It is your own Prakruti, the non-self complex, that is binding you, because it is still flowing in ignorance, it is behaving in ignorant fashion. You need to keep it separate with the light of your own self, of awakened self. When you come to this Janma Jayanti occasion, when you come to such major occasions, those who are serving you, they will make all the arrangements for your stay, etc. So you don't have to worry about your food and stay. So now then you are free from all your worldly files, and so now then you can remain for 5 days in the pure awakened awareness of the self as capital. This is the most magnificent occasion for you to remain as the self. So at that time, for the entire 5 days, keep the camera on file number 1 and on nothing else. So then there is no other interference from any other file, is there? And you don't have to worry about your business, your children, your work, etc. You just everything keeps on happening beautifully. This is a very magnificent opportunity. So please feel free to ask whatever questions you want to ask in this. Yeah, the questions have already come. Please confine your questions to the topic of the awareness of separation. And slowly then you can, it says, then then you can slowly move towards Avyabhat Swarup. I am beyond pain. I'm beyond pain. So if there is any awareness of pain in the relative, either at the body level, at the mind level, or at the, then there should be the awareness that no, this is not happening to me. It is happening to Nada. It is happening to the one who is prone to pain, not to me. This is through wrong belief, or in every respect. You need to shatter this wrong belief, break the wrong belief only. If you break the wrong belief, right here and verily right now, you are free. And this is our science. Our science is like that. Now let us take some questions. We're taking some questions now. As we take the questions, we will try to understand the talks of this Vignan, this science. Mr. Bhatt from Ahmedabad asking a question. Ahmedabad. Jai Sachidanand, Deepak Bhai. I do not understand the word Pudgal and Shuddhatma. I don't know what you wrote. Did you get the answer? You have Pudgal means Ranchod Bhai. His name is Ranchod Bhai. Pudgal means non-self complex. You have to just remain totally separate from this non-self complex called Uva. Uva is the Pudgal, Pudgal. It's a file. Now you just need to remain separate from it. That's all. Deepak Bhai is using some local dialect there. Che tuj revu, to remain distant. Just keep on separating him, Ranchod, from you. When you talk to Uva, when you talk to Nada, when you talk to Grit, you are separate from them, from her or him. So, and if she gets upset or angry, then make her do pratikraman. If your neighbor, if your neighbor is fighting with somebody, do you enter the home of the neighbor to try to stop her? No, you just keep on seeing through the window that she is fighting with her husband or his wife. But if you believe that it is happening to you, then you will become engrossed with it, and you will not get the separation and the benefit of the separation. Do you think the Rainesile has any sons? So you see, the sons are not yours. You are the Rainesile. Rainesile has no sons or daughters. If the leg is hurting, it is the leg of Ranchod Bhai that is hurting. It's not your leg that is hurting. It is not. You have to see it. This word seeing is not with these external eyes. You have to see it with your inner eyes of awakened awareness. The external eyes is the eyes of the intellect. The intellect will say, "Oh, my knee, it is hurting so badly." Are we able to see the intellect and the mind also in this manner? Yes, you will only see it. You will not be able to see the intellect sitting separately over there. Intellect is very difficult to see. You can only catch the intellect when it sees the faults of others, or when there is a reaction of suffering inside, and you say, "Why is she doing this?" And when you become angry, when there is any suffering that happens, it is the intellect that has received it, and therefore that is how you see the intellect. So you have to catch the intellect whenever there is any suffering. And in this way, you can keep the intellect and the ego separate from you. This is how you see. If you are the father-in-law, if you expect your daughter-in-law to behave in a certain way, that's not going to happen. You see, and then if you become angry with the servants in the home, you don't need to become angry. You are the man of the house. You just keep on seeing what they're doing. I need those energies. I want to remain separate. You need to find out what is happening to Ranchod Bhai. And then, if he is interfering with the daughter-in-law in the kitchen, then he should say, why are you interfering with what she is doing in the kitchen? It's not your role. So you see, if you do rag and dvesh, then again you will find more and more people who will support you on that, and they will say, aha, she's like this. So when you go for a walk, they'll say, your daughter-in-law is not good. Yeah, she's like this, so they will support you. I want the continuous meditation of Lord Simandar only. Will you please arrange it? I want to get married to Lord Simandar. Stop fighting with your son and daughter-in-law first, says Deepak Bhai. Why are you worried about the grandchildren? You see, the grandchildren will be taken care of by their parents. You see, not you. Yes, grant me those energies, Deepak Bhai. Yes, says Deepak Bhai. Okay, next question. Okay. Is pure applied awareness that which the awareness of what is not beneficial for the non-self is the question. What is Shuddha Upyog? Means what is pure applied awareness of the self? We have only got the conviction that I am pure soul. As you come into the experience of the S capital self, if somebody insults you and it does not affect you, then you are in Shuddha Upyog. When somebody says, Grit, you are an idiot, you're stupid, you give insults Grit openly, and if Grit is not affected, then Grit has the experience of the S capital self. And you see, but if the intellect inside Grit will say, I was sitting quietly, I didn't do anything, why did she tell me that, etc., then you are not in Shuddha Upyog. There is no questions at all. And so when you do not react, then the experience of the S capital self will arise, and when the experience of the S capital self prevails and arises, then the awareness that is associated with it and the application of that awareness is Shuddha, pure, Upayog, applied awareness. Yes. But you see, there should not be a question of why did he do this to me, or why did she do this to me, etc. Once the entire body is completely separate from you, then the Shuddha Upyog is excellent. But when I see somebody is negative, then if I say negative things about somebody, but if somebody that I do not like is suffering, then I feel good inside. It says that is the nature of the intellect. If your enemy is suffering, you feel good inside. But that is God. Because if you go into a step well and you shout, or if you go into an echo chamber and shout, may you hurt, may you hurt, may you hurt, the echo will come back to you saying, may you hurt, may you hurt, may you hurt. So it always comes back to you. Who made this mistake? You see, the greatest purusharth in all suffering, is to find out who is the culprit, who is the guilty one. And the guilty one is our own selves in the past life with this kind of echo chamber ego reactions. Echo chamber ego reactions and hurting others. Next one. In this satsang with Ranchod Bhai just now, this morning, I get kashais. He says you have to take Mahendra Bhai, do Mahendra Bhai pratikramans. So you have to say that, oh, Mahendra Bhai is pure soul, through my mind, speech and body, if I have hurt you in any way, please forgive me. And then today you have to do pratikraman. And then all day investigate and see who have you burnt, who have you hurt, for whom did you spoil your intentions today, and do the pratikraman of that pure soul inside that person. So through rag and dvesh, through rag also you have to do pratikramans, and through dvesh also. But first concentrate on the pratikraman of dvesh or abhorrence or dislike. Jai Sachidanand. Arvind Bhai, but some girl is answering. But some other woman has stood up. Okay. And the knowledge of I, the middleman, and Mangaldas. I, the middleman of Kashais, and Mangaldas is magnificent. And you know, whenever any mistake happens, the ego takes over everything, and then ego becomes dominant. Then so you know you should talk to the ego and say, you think you did good, you did this task good, but what about these other two tasks where you messed up and you totally spoiled it? So show the ego, when the ego is flying high, show the ego where the ego made the errors. So you just have to kind of see it like in a play. You see, we did in the last life we were the doers, and therefore whatever we wanted to do manifest in front of us in this life as a doing body, a body that is doing everything, and we need to be the observers and the seers of this. We have received this knowledge without completing this karma, so they will explode now and then in front of us with heavier intensity. But if you remain separate, they will not touch you. So you see, when something happens unexpectedly, you have to see what happened with the inner eyes, and then start your pratikraman process, and then this, with the first this process of separation, and then the process of pratikraman. And if you cannot see it immediately because there has been a big explosion of anger or whatever, then an hour later you can see it, and when you see it, then you become free from it in the same manner by the separation first and then the pratikraman second. When she is doing something, she is talking about her own self. If she does something bad, there is first an inner knock inside says this is wrong. So yes, that is the Prajna Shakti that is telling you. You have to listen to the Prajna Shakti, Prajna energy. That is called the energy of Upadan. That is the energy that you have brought from past life. It is in continuously in previous lives, this Prajna, this energy that flashes inside that this is wrong, you have brought forth with it from previous lives. And the one in the wrong belief is the ego, but they are developed in intuitive sense. The developed intuitive sense called Sooja, S-O-O-Z-A, is the one that tells you, no, you are doing wrong, tells file number 1. But you see, it tells you that this is wrong, and that is an inner development. It's an upadan, it is a development of yours. And it warns you from inside that this is wrong, that it is not called Prajna Shakti, it is the upadan, it is the collective intuition that you have brought forth from previous lives. What is the first step of moksha? If I see my own faults, yes, that is a very high level on the path of liberation. If you can see your own faults and do not see anybody else at fault, that is very good. For moksha, the best thing is to hang on tightly to the 5 agnas and to see. I also would like to see others. Next one. When unpleasant things happen, then I'm separate. But when something pleasant comes in front of me, then I become involved. No, not a problem, says Deepak Bhai. At least become free from the dvesh effects, the abhorrence effects first. So when the pleasant things come, then that is the second stage, secondary process. Initially, now just become free from the effects that arise within grit or over during negativity and stress and unpleasantness. and pain. So, so now you do not really want to interfere with that which is pleasant right now, but with that which is unpleasant has arisen in front of you because you interfered in the past life, and now stop interfering in it, and then it will go away. So win that which is unpleasant by separation and knowledge. If somebody says the weather is bad, you should say, no, 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 the weather is fine. Why do you have to say, yes, the weather is bad? Try to, don't try to add on to the negativities that are already happening in the world. You see, now if you say that cold weather is bad, then then when you go to hot weather, you'll say hot weather is bad. So which one is good, right? Which weather is good for you? You need to be aware that this person is blaming the weather right now, whether it is cold or hot. When the time comes, the hot weather will go away and the cold weather will also go away. And you see, now why do you have to say he's a good man or he's a very good person? Because then you see, you are inviting yourself to get into rag. Yes, the rag has solution, but we will talk about rag later on. Right now, let's not talk about rag right now. You see, I become temporarily aware, the man says, but then I forget. He says, this is because you have received this Gnan without completing your karma. But if you are in the Purushartha, the 5 Agnas and of the separation, then you will be able to win it. So you want to see everyone separate in the relative and the real. It is a file. The file has to be settled with equanimity. Whatever has happened, whether it is pleasant to the file or whether it is unpleasant to file number 1, it is vyavasthit. It is kind of part of scientific circumstantial evidences. Every half an hour, remind yourself, am I in Agnas or am I not? Every half an hour, am I in Agnas or am I not? And then at the end of the day, before you lie down, you say, okay, today from morning till evening, did I hurt anyone? And then you make a firm decision after doing the pratikraman that I will never do it again, I will never do it again. And the more you remain in Agna, the better off you will be. You will rise higher in the Gnan. Next one, Lakshmi Ben Patel, a lady. I am always engrossed. When I am doing something, I am engrossed, and even otherwise I am engrossed. How do you know that you are becoming engrossed? It's okay. When you say that I become engrossed, that means the knower is separate from the engrossment. Are you not? Even if you say that you became engrossed, became one with the mind, speech and body, are you not aware of the engrossment, of the absorption, of the oneness with the body? Most important awareness should be, am I hurting anybody? That's the most important awareness. Would you not know how to do that? I know, that much is easy, she says. He says, when you become free from the mistakes, then you are free. Separate from mistakes, you are free from them. But when I am doing my work, the work will not happen. Won't I have to have a break from the work so that I can be in this science, she asks. Won't I have to have a little bit of a break, a rest period, so that I can be in this Vignan or this science? No. The work will continue. When you make Uva, Nada or Grit do Pratikraman for their faults, that is the highest awareness. Okay. When those mistakes go away, you will automatically separate. You will automatically become separate from them, from him or her. I know that I am a pure soul through the grace of Dada, but I don't think that there is anything of mine in this thing. Nothing is happening of mine in here. No. I don't feel like it's for... No, what you, no, you don't have to throw away the good things or the bad things. You just need to separate yourself from them. That's all. You don't need to run away from the good that is happening to you. At that time also I am engrossed, she says. I am continuously engrossed. Yes. Why don't you begin? That if you can become free from hurting anyone, then automatically you will become separate. If you give an opinion about somebody that he is not a good man, you are done. You're already become engrossed. You see? So I say we are not like animals. You see, animals, we do not have animalistic tendencies where we don't let go. We forgive. Humanity means to forgive. I hurt others through my speech, and then if you hurt others through your speech, then you will have to make her do pratikraman, make Lakshmi Ben do serious pratikramans. But what we are, oh, you're constantly trying to improve her. Why are you wasting your energies trying to improve her? Why are you wasting your energies trying to improve grit over or nada? Just make her do pratikraman, and the next time she makes this, be more aware if she makes any errors or mistakes. You see, the energies will increase by reading the Charan Vidhi. The energies will, yes, the energies will increase by doing all of these things. Yeah, I believe everything is happening through the grace of Dada. Nothing is happening through my own Purusharth, she says. But if that is the grace of Dada, then why are you having suffering? Sandeep Baba is asking. If you are saying this is all through the grace of Dada, then why are you complaining about suffering? But I feel like whatever is happening is Dada's grace only, she says. You see, may your feet remain in my heart. You see, and so then it will come to you. Do the Charan Vidhi only then. Next one. Nirali is now another girl, lady. Okay. I have very little awareness of separation, she says. This other lady says she doesn't have any, so at least you have a little bit less. Aren't you better off than the other lady? All right. You're not hurting anyone, are you? Then if you do, then make her do pratikraman. Are you doing pratikraman? Yes. I'm not doing enough pratikraman, she says. No. Dada, please make me see each and every mistake of mine. I want to see each and every mistake of mine where I hurt others. Everybody should understand, people, when it's not happening, everybody's complaining, I cannot do it. And so, but instead of saying that I cannot do it, why don't you say, please grant me the energies to accomplish what I want to accomplish? If I got 40 marks out of 100, then I have failed by 60 marks, have I not? How can I say that I have passed by 40? I have failed by 60, and that is where I need to focus on in the examination. I want to relate one of my my dream experience. I saw Dada in my dream. No. So in other words, next one. Now next one, two more people are announced now. Jai Sachidanand Puji Shri. I do not have any awakened awareness. Who knows that there is no awareness? But he may be sleeping for 3 hours, but the moment he wakes up, he knows there is awake. Only the one who is awake can know that he was sleeping 3 hours ago or 4 hours ago. I later on then I say with the exception of the absolute self, I do not want anything else. The words of Niruma come to me. How do you know? Do you become aware after 12 hours or how many hours? You, the man, the questioner's name is Deepak. You have to make your Deepak do Pratikraman and I have to do my Deepak do Pratikraman, says Deepak Bhai, because both the questioner and Deepak Bhai both have the same name. I have come here, taken the leave for 4 days after telling a lie. I'm here. But you know, when you go back, you make sure that you do the 4 days full work that you did not do while you were here. Because you told a lie, because you told a lie for the S capital self, that's okay. You know, but send a silent signal to the boss, to the pure soul of your boss and the people whom you have cheated at work, and do the Pratikraman. And so for the rest of the year, do the entire work very beautifully until the next Janma Jayanti. Yes, where Sachidananda he is. Okay, the next one. Pick up. I tried talking to myself in this as a key to remain separate from her, but I do not get much. When yes, you have a lot of time to talk to your lady friends, do you not? But you have a lot of difficulty talking to your own self. When you have to talk to do and shoot the breeze and talk a lot to other ladies, you have all the time, but you cannot talk for 5 minutes to your own self. What's going on? But you know, you give them tea, you make them snacks, give them snacks, you talk about the town. I only keep on showing her what is positive only. And then after a while, it just stops. I cannot converse any further. You then go on to see what Kamala Ben did. Her name is Kamala Ben. Keep on seeing what she does. Keep what Kamala Ben did. Then separate it in 3 sections. What did Kamala Ben's mind do? What did Kamala Ben's speech do? What did Kamala Ben's body do? And that is, you know, you just see how, you know, Deepak Bhai is imitating brushing the teeth in the morning in 30 seconds. And then, where's my tea? Where's my tea? So, you know, you brush your teeth in 30 seconds. And so, you know, on one side you are making tea, other side you are watching that milk, the other side you are watching a little bit of the TV. You really need to know. You need to know what she's doing, you see. Early in the morning, you try to see what she is doing. You know. You should just kind of give your little snacks. You should just kind of bicker a little bit with her. Say, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why don't you clean up the kitchen? Why don't you do this? Why are you putting your shirt here? Why don't you hang it properly, etc. Just simple things, you see. And when he's doing something good, when she's doing something good, Grit, you cooked a good meal today for Mahatmas. That is very good, Grit. You cooked a good meal. You see? But otherwise, you know, otherwise in the afternoon you're sleeping away 3 hours at a time. What? Why do you need to sleep for 3 hours when you can do 1 hour? 1 hour is enough. So you have to perform your role. Y capital have to perform your role by speaking to Grit, Nada, over. I do not feel any difference by talking to her, she says. When if you can say this piece of gold jewelry is not mine, you know, you even as you keep on saying not mine, you'll start crying. It's just a piece of gold only, is it not? But if you speak seriously, not mine, it's your precious gold jewelry. For 30 years, you will you will start realizing your moha, the illusory attachment to this. The nature of the Prakriti is, and the nature of the Prakriti is that if you try to take it away, something favorite from it, like a gold piece of jewelry, it will not like it. But you see, yes, yes. So if you, in other words, you can slowly move her towards Simandar Swami, and it will only melt if you get to know, if you understand it. I can sometimes see my illusory attachment, moha for children, for things, etc. So then you can ask for the energies from Dada saying, let me become free from this excessive attachment to things and people in my home. But sometimes I separate temporarily, but then again she becomes Tanmayakar, becomes engrossed. Then what is Dada's answer? Then Dada, she says, then make her give seva, make her give service, make her do satsang, make her do service of satsang, etc. And in that way, she will, that the awareness will increase. That is the second level. You see, if the awareness of separation is not remaining spontaneously, then you have to make Ove Nada Grit enter into service of Akram Vignan. Yeah. Otherwise she is cleaning the house and arranging the house from morning till evening. For who? Only for Grit only, right? But you see, so the Prakriti remains the same. She wants to make her house, decorate the house, keep the home properly. But if Grit's aim changes from the home, keeping the home perfect, to helping others in Akram Vignan, then the awareness will come. You do not have to give up service, seva. But if somebody in the family says, no, I'm not going to let you serve Dada Bhagwan or the organization, then what are you going to do? She says, it's not like that at all. You see, the kashais, the conflict and the friction that happens between you and your family members is not because of the problem with them. It is because of your lack of understanding. So the work of service is on one side, and then the awareness of the self is on the other side. I want to do seva without kashais, she says. Yes, good. Next one. Next question. Jai Sachidanand. I have not written any question. Uttar Sand. I had a question. I don't know. I don't have a question, she says. But I do. I had some friction with the file, with her husband. And whose mistake did you find? My own. I had a clash with my husband, but I found that I was wrong. Good. Otherwise, generally you find your husband at fault only, right? I have taken Gnan for 12 years. But now and then when there are conflicts with my husband, and there is a reason. If you see the fault of the other person, the conflict will happen, and if you do not see the other person at fault, the conflicts will not be there. Period. It's as simple as that. We are the only Dada Mahatma in the entire village of Uttar Sanda, and therefore everybody says this is Dada's home, Dada's home. And in that respect, I have conflict with file 2, husband. But we have fight, but we come. Occasionally, but don't you have to go to a doctor when when your body is aching? If I want all the junk in the file number 1 to completely go away, Dada. On the day that you have your conflict with your husband, do pratikraman for 1 hour. That is the prescription that the doctor has just given to her. Everybody in the town says that we are of Dada Bhagwan people because we are the only home of Dada Bhagwan in the whole village. You can just say that Dada Bhagwan is very big, we are just at his feet. In Mahatmas do come to my home to do darshan of Dada. Good. Next one. The sentence about I'm free from all the intentions that tend to anoint is this they tend to separate. And he said, and then there is certain portions of Charan Vidhi which are where you become one with Uve and then you are speaking. He says, so you know who do you have to you you see when you set it that it is you are actually Dada Bhagwan. Who is Dada Bhagwan here? Then you have to visualize A.M. Patel and you have to visualize the Gnani Purush and whenever I get up in the morning at 3 o'clock in the morning, suddenly I I start singing Dada Bhagwan Nasim Ji Kar Ho. I have formed a habit now. If I get up suddenly, then my son will say, Dad, you are snoring. Will you stop it? Then I'll say, I'm not snoring. I'm still reading, doing Asim Jai Jaikar Ho. I'm singing Dada Bhagwan Asim Jai Jaikar Ho. I'm not snoring, he says to his son. You see, I mean, you think you're singing Dada Bhagwan Asim Jaikar, but you're actually sleeping and snoring. But that's okay. You see, at least you've been woken up from sleep and so you're singing Asim Jai Jaikar Ho. But you know, if you're disturbing your son, you should go out in the gallery and sing at night. Or sing in your mind only, Dada Bhagwan Nasim Jai Jaikar Ho. You don't have to sing loudly and disturb the sleep of your son. Okay, now let's take a break. This is the next questions coming up with a break now. So we have a break coming up now. All right, Shuddhatma Bhagwan, we have a break. All right, so great. We take a break. Over, can you hear me?
Should I?
Yes.
Yeah, Jason. Yeah, okay, Jason.
So I'm going to save this, and then when I'm going to save this one. Tell Uwe to save his, and then we will go on to the second session. This is going to be there actually, just opening ceremonies of some of the. Shall we just continue, or shall we? What shall we do? Because now they're going to unveil some books and things like that. Shall we continue?
Yeah, for me it's okay. We can continue. It's okay.
All right. So let's continue. So here is Ajit Bhai. Offering these new presents that are ready for Akram Vignan. So now then, after offering it to the celestial beings, Dada, Niruma, and Deepak Bhai, the book is husband-wife relationship part 1 to 16 DVDs. So they are now being offered to the Gnani. So he opens up a cover first. Now doing the blessing, the Vidhi of the Gnani. Everything that is done through Vidhi has very good results. Dada Bhagwan Nasim Jayakar Ho is being sung as the Vagnani does his routine vidhi of 2 minutes. And Ajit Bhai, there's standing along, clapping along with all the Mahatmas, also clapping and singing Dada Bhagwan Nasim Jayakar Ho. He is going to unveil some collection of CDs. This is the husband-wife relationship, divine relationship between husband-wives. 16 DVDs, 42 sections. It is going to be helpful for everybody who is married and also those who are not married, because it contains Gnan only, and how to remain in harmony with your companion. And you can also give it as a gift to somebody who is getting married, a beautiful gift. And you see, and you can also give them as gifts at their wedding anniversaries. And then there is a little DVD for little children, Maravala, called Maravala, my dear one. They're all songs. It has got 3 mantra children's DVD, audio and video. And then there is also how the prayer reaches the absolute self, and it has got 5 agnas. Beautiful. And we have to read this, do we not? Our university studies are over, but now our real studies have started with reference to the S capital self. This is the homework. Paryushan is coming. So there is Paryushan in September and Parayan in December. And then this, so you have to finish Aptavani 8 and also Life Without Conflict. This is come here. So we will absorb all the beautiful knowledge. This is the calendar. The new calendar has come out. Is being unveiled for 2013. Oh, this is a game for children. These are all the points you get. If you just make this mistake, you get minus this many marks. If you the key to Mahavidya is the little game called the key to Mahavidya. So you can play the game and also kind of be involved in Mahavidya only. All the beautiful talks about Simanda Swami are in this little booklet for little game for children. It's all done. Alright, this is all blessing has been. This is this is for children, and this is also for. Yes, the children grasp it very beautifully. The children are able to grasp this very beautifully. Now they are going to show a little science of children's science, called GNC's Bal Vignan. The children's science presents is for children now. This is the DVD that has just been unveiled. The Anand Ullas, the joy and bliss of the self. The joy and bliss of the self. 1, 2, 3. The prayers. Simanda Swami Dada. Children. Simanda Swami. The lamp. Number 3. Puppet shows. Number 4. Simanda Swami. The current. And the opening of the doors to Simanda Swami, to Mahavidya Kshetra. And the showering of the flowers over Simanda Swami. Number 5. Moral story. What is Vitrag Vignan? How to increase common sense. Number 6. Vala Mara Gnani, my dear Gnani, and there Niruma, Puja Deepak Bhai, and the children, and Deepak Bhai feeding the peacocks. Number 7, GNC, about GNC, Gnani Ni Chaya Ma, the little children, the very, very little children, with little babies and children of very young age, all learning to be with Dada. And then the DVD is there. The DVD is also along with audio CD. There is an audio CD, and we will get some glimpse in Gujarati, Hindi, and English. In 3 languages, there is the 3 mantra. I bow to the Lord within me. Let me pray to them every morning. And the vidhi before doing my studies, and the vidhi at the end of the day, and then the Jag Kalyan Bhavna. And this is for the first time this Science of Children is bringing it out, the giant game number 1. It is a game that lets you go all the way up to Mahavideh, how to go to Mahavideh Kshetra. A game you can go through understanding of Kashais. By playing this game you can understand Kashais, and how to become free from karma. You can play the dice, and you can go up and down in Kashais with points, and then ultimately there is a rule book also. What is the rule book? And so become ready, because this is an occasion of happiness on the journey towards Mahavideh Kshetra. Jai Sachidanand. So that has just been presented, unveiled for the world, prepared and produced by the huge team in Simandar city. So now there is going to be a video of Dada Shri, probably a new one. Okay, beautiful. All right. The word letter A is there. Akram. Anupam means the one who cannot be, who can never be described. Ajod means the one who has no parallel, the one who has no equal. And Avarnaniya means the one who cannot be described. Gnani Purush Dada Shri. Akram Vignani, the one who is the Akram Vignani. Gnani Purush Dada Shri. And okay, great. Are you there with me?
Yes, Shuddha, I hear you.
I see. I think if you want to take a break, that's fine. This is an old video that they are doing, so we'll come back for the second section. Okay?
Okay, beautiful. All right. Yeah, Jai Sachidanand.
Jai Sachidanand. So we will pause and come back after the break.